See, there are two arrests. One is Jagadish, another one is Chetan. See, for no reason Jagadish was arrested. Also no reason Chetan was arrested. Both of them opposing corruption and communal betrayal. Therefore, they are arrested. To attract section 307, there must be intention, preparation, knowledge, attempt if due to some intervention or obstruction. If the attempt is not complete, it is 307, otherwise it is 302. Here, the allegation, even if it is accepted, it is a simple police act. Punishment is 100 rupees fine. For the sake of 100 rupees, unreasonably police registered a case for 307, he is languishing in jail. Regarding Chetan is concerned, Chetan tweeted, they say. Every day there are lakhs of tweets, crores of tweets. Whether police is going to register case? See, the ruling dispensation, Bajrang Dal, RSS, they say we will kill, we will rape. No case is registered. What does the tweet says? Nothing. But what is the power of inspector to register the case, because inspector is misused in both the cases. In Bangalore nowadays, police stations are becoming real estate office. No space for the poor, downtrodden, Dalits, Adivasis, minorities. Station is filled with real estate, gunny, mafias. It is a mafia dispensation. To oppose that, we are fighting this day.